Hello there. Welcome to, what day is it? Oh my God, day 25 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. We are getting down to the nitty gritty, and it's time to do some detail work. Just enough stuff needs to get done so that we can just take this thing on a trip. Doesn't need to be fancy, you know? It's going to be nowhere near finished, which if you like, you know, renovation videos and things like that, you're in for a treat because we're going to have so many more for you before we can just be, you know, mostly travel. But that's okay. I actually enjoy doing manual labor. I'm a strange bird. Anyways, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. And now I need to clean my garage again. As you can see, my garage is a mess. I cleaned it and then like 2 days later, I had to empty everything out of the Airstream so we could take it to get tires, which we didn't end up getting, and now it's a frickin' mess again. So, let's start there. We had to head over to the depot again because, well, this is our new home. We actually live here.
Oh. After the depot, it's back to work.
Goodbye, depot. We miss you already.
We don't miss it at all. We'll be back in 5 minutes.
Well, we live here now, so.
We should just bring the trailer here. It would really save a lot of trips, you know? Just work on it right here in the lot.
I mean, that's smart.
We'd have saved 50 gallons of gas already.
Just removing the hardware from these cabinet doors. Got a lot to go. Check out these brand new floors. It looks amazing. Our flooring guy Alex finished up today. He put in all of the new floors, plus built us a new platform for our toilet seat because the one from before was made out of particle board and was literally falling apart. It's great. Now we can go to the bathroom on our trip. Also, I wanted to show you the new gasket that we put in compared to the old gasket. New one is fresh, plump, beautiful. The old one is anemic, flat, dying, and we're happy that we have new ones. Anywho, that's it for day 25. We are exhausted and we need some food, so we're heading over to Wendy's to get some delicious food. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 26. Oh my God, it's winding down. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. This trip is going to be very exciting, but we still have a lot of work to do. We have a few days to do it. All right, see you next time.